Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, CD player, compass. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.